flattered and humbled. I really would not have thought that with all the great people that Mr. Allen, at the height of his prowess, as what I would refer to a master craftsman, as a journalist, would have seen me and my story as worthy to join the other persons.
Desmond Allen's greatest hits won your stairs of extraordinary Jamaicans. Two things there. One, how do I qualify to have greatest hits? 50 years in journalism. So I'm choosing my best works, some of my best works from the 50 years. Then no. I've decided that the best thing that represents what I am as a journalist are people, you know, and those who have contributed with their lives they have lived to the building of Jamaica. And so these 20 extraordinary characters, I selected them.
I would always say to him, he say, you see that man Desmond Allen? He said, that man right, take out him pen against you. He said, the Lord be with you, right? And you know, to have watched this relationship foster over the years and to see the incredible job that you have done for the Jamaica Observer. The Jamaica Observer was founded on the principles of a balanced democracy for the incredible country of Jamaica. And it would never have happened without you, Desmond.
I can't recall ever being honored in this way, and I'm absolutely not accustomed to it, you know.